Good morning. Yes, it is a rainy Friday. It is nasty. I'm going to show you what it's just nasty. And today we are getting that crack replaced or fixed or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, whatever. But it is getting, the windshield's getting replaced today. So what did I end up deciding to do with the windshield? I wanted it to get done at Toyota. Found out that certain Toyotas outsource it to Safelite anyways. Safelite can get me an OEM windshield. The windshield does need to be calibrated and Safelite can do that. So I decided I'm going to take it to Safelite today. I got a couple of other things to do. If you look back there, I got two new parts to install. Might install one in this video. Might install both. I don't know, depending on how much time we have. I do have to take out the ditch lights because where they sit, I don't want them to get damaged when they replace the windshield. So it's about 11:15 Friday. I'm on my way to train my client at his house and then be at Safelite by 1:30, and then good old Mama Dukes is meeting me so I don't have to sit there for 3 hours. Once that's done, then I can get the other stuff installed. So let's get this shit out of the way. See you in a few hours. Woo. All right, guys, just leaving Safelite over here in East Brunswick. Trying to get the windshield replaced on the Taco. So we'll see how it is when it comes out. See you in about 2-3 hours. And the crack here that spread along up to here and then came back down. I had to take the ditch lights out because they were in the way. So we'll see. They said 2 hours. I say 3. Who knows? All right, guys. So I got the mask on because I have to have it on in there. Plus COVID's going up. If you got a problem with it, unsubscribe. Anyway, so I got the windshield fixed. Let's check it out, see how it looks. Look at this. This guy, like, he did this so good. It looks like my windshield wasn't even touched. The sticker up there for the next thing, the easy pass. I see no damage to the plastics. The windshield looks good. You can see that it's an OEM windshield. So far so good. I'll do more inspection when I get to the garage. We're headed there now. We are at the garage. Yes. Boom. All right, so excited. Anyway, so I have to install some new stuff. Let me get it from the truck. First things first, gotta install these. These are my new turn signals. I had to put my hoodie on. It's getting a little, my hat, it's getting a little cold now. So I'm gonna do a little install video for this. Also installing my new amber lights. There. Show you guys which one I got. So these are actually clear, but they light up in amber. So the install is going to be like one side of each, and then it's obviously the opposite on the other side. So let me get my light and start doing the side one. Okay. Pull. Got it. This clip, those two clips, a couple of clips here and here. All right, set this to the side. Now it says there's a screw here And there's a little clip up there. So you got a screwdriver. It says eliminate. Take this screw out. Hope I don't drop this, because then I'm screwed. No pun intended. Okay. Okay. So that's the before. So, flashlight. Let's see, it has a little clip here. Okay, so there's a little push tab. You gotta squeeze the inside and then push forward there, like that. Then this one, and it slides right out. Take the wires. It's a little push clip here. Put this light back over here. So you see that little push clip? Push that, unplug it, and it's out. Just peeling it back. That way it's easier to come off. This is the connector. Plug your connector in. You'll hear it click. Okay. Wire out of the way. Slide this inside. It's hard to do this in the dark. Go. Push it down. Push that in there. Okay, now I believe this needs to like in. Push down, boom. Then the little clip. Push the little clip back in. There we go. We have this, we have this. That's in, that's in. Put this light over here real quick. Okay, push clip is in. There we go. This piece back on. Okay, so these just slide in. Good. Good. Okay, repeat that on the other side. So for those of you that don't know, you can get to the old ones from right down here. So you really don't have to go behind the bumper. See that little screw down there? Take that screw out, unplug that harness, and you're good to go. So I'm not going to really videotape that. I might videotape how to take this off, but I think we just pry this off once I take that out. So, all right, so all I did was take the one screw out and then take this one right out. So it kind of sits like in two hooks, boom, and then the screw goes in one of those holes. So you just unscrew it and slide and then out. Okay, so now to take this off, It's just a bunch of tabs. So you gotta work your way around. Okay. There we go. One more. There we go. Good. So you can see these are all like little push tabs. None of them broke. It kind of comes out at this direction, towards that way. Not straight out, but more towards that way, like at an angle. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna take a punch. You have to dead center it right in between this little opening here. If I get a little closer. Okay. So I put a punch right there already. And you can see, then we have to drill straight through 3/8. Well, that was fast. Okay. Good. Now we're going to get the bracket. We're going to mount up the light. Okay. I think this is for when you put the lights up by where mine is, where my ditch lights are. So I'm going to see. As of right now, I'll show you here. Because of the openings, you just slide it through there. Okay. Put it face down. Line up the holes. Okay, holes are lined up there. There. Okay. Then you have Got it. Okay. So this is pretty similar to what I already have. You're going to take this nut and then drop it down. Let me see if I get the camera. Put the light on so you can see. Right in here, there's that opening. Take the screw, drop it down in there. Okay, then you have to line up the holes. I'm going to fix that screw, but it's because I'm holding the camera, I can't fix it right now. And let's see, I have my pick tool. Okay, so pick tool. There we go. Okay, screw is there. Screw is there. Then take one of these, place it through. Take this and start doing it until it catches the screw. But I have to use two hands, so hold on. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just connect it. Good. This one's good. Flush it through. I had to make the hole a little bigger, and that's okay. Boom. Good. Now I gotta go behind there. And you can see, let's see if you can see where the screw is. That's what it looks like back there. And you just put your nut and washer, which they supplied the nut. I'm going to see if I have a locking nut though. Let's see if I have that first. Oh, here they go. Ah, got it. Nut and washer. Perfect. This is for this, which would be used for this bracket, when you put it on where my ditch lights are. So a simple nut washer, you don't really need to see how I do that. Okay, so all you have to do is just put the nut there. I didn't tighten it all the way, but I want you guys to see the difference. So that's the new one. That's the old one. You can clearly see the difference. I'm going to turn the truck on and make sure it works. Alright guys, both of them are on. You guys can see the initial look. A lot. They match perfect. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps anybody who does the install video. I'm gonna install my I'm gonna reattach my ditch lights now. I'm gonna put a little bit anti-seize, because if you see here, I don't know if you can really see, but that bolt is getting rusted already. It's only been maybe like 2 months I've had them, or a month. I'll say about 2 months. So I'm just gonna put some anti-seize on that. I might even change the bolt since they gave me new ones. Nah, I'll just leave that one the way it is, and then when it gets really bad, I'll just replace it. It's not that bad yet. So if you haven't, share the video, like, comment, subscribe, stay positive, stay humble. Remember, we only have good days. Peace. Oh, real quick before I go, I'm cleaning the truck, and look at what I see that was not there before. That is a scratch. So that is not from me.